Day 7. Still trapped between two walls of ice. Losing hope.
What's up, guys? So if you didn't know, we got about 3 feet of snow. God, crazy. So what better time than to try out these? Let's see if they work. Whoa! Wow. I'm a post holer. Is that how they're supposed to work, or am I too fat? Let me try these. Something break? Oh, brother. Alright, here we go. Oh, now I just sink in for... Hey, this ain't so bad. Look at this snow. Somebody else has been out here besides me. I think I discovered Bigfoot. Oh no, it's just me. What in the world could that have been? Gingerbread house? What the heck do you think that was? Oh man, you guys remember the last time we had a storm like this? I've been here 2 years and we haven't had anything close to this. The last time I remember this much snow was when I was living in New York, and I think it was either 94 or 96. We had about 3 feet. Man. Tell me about your best blizzard story. And have you ever used any of these? They work pretty good. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Alright, so as you might have noticed, I dropped some silver in the snow as I was snowshoeing. Anybody wondering why I had silver in my pocket? You could stick around. If you're bored by that kind of stuff, you guys can leave now. I'll forewarn you. But yeah, well, it actually wasn't 1 ounce of silver. It was actually 4 ounces of silver. And if anybody knows anything about inflation, you know that the dollar is pretty much just paper backed by nothing. So silver is a nice way to, you know, guarantee if you need to get into Mexico, you could bribe the border guard. Just kidding, I would never do that. Yeah, but that's why I'm carrying around 4 ounces of silver. I bought them today, and they're going to be a Christmas present. You'll see this after Christmas, so whatever. Thanks for watching. And there's my half lesson on economics. See you guys.